Hi everyone, welcome back. So today we're doing what we call keyword research. And so I went to ChatGPT and asked what is keyword research. And so keyword research is the process of finding and analyzing the words and phrases, which are actual keywords that people enter in search engines like Google. And then the goal is to understand what your target audience is searching for, so that you can create content that ranks well and attracts organic traffic. And then they give you why, 5 reasons why keyword research is important, and how to do keyword research. But I'll show you how I do it, the best way to do it, the easiest way to do it, the cheapest way to do it without spending money. When you're beginning a website, you want to keep your cost low. So the first way to do it is using what we call Google auto completion. For example, you wanted to find keywords on pet food. Maybe it's a dog-based dog food. So go to search just dog food. You see, when I'm trying to search for dog food, we see what I'm getting here. This is what we call Google auto completion keyword. It's auto completing our keyword. So these are the keywords that people are actually searching for. Currently I'm in Kenya, so that's why you see my country here. Nairobi is one of our cities. So I wanted to do dog food, and then we also have dog food ingredient and so forth. So let me just see what we get in the search. And these are the searches we're getting. Okay, different searches we are getting by dog food online, so forth and so forth. So you can come here and play around with it. You see, the moment I just put my mouse here, you have different variation. You have try dog food, bravo, dog food brands, okay, how to make dog foods in specific country and so forth. Fishing tools. You see, already it's giving me different keywords that people are searching for. If I complete that, we have fishing toolbox, fishing toolkit. So these are actual keywords people are searching for. What we call the phrases. We say that a keyword research is a process of finding and analyzing words and phrases. So these are phrases, which I'm calling keywords here. They also are under bracket keywords which people are actually searching for. Okay, so let me search for fishing tools. So that's one way of doing it. And also we have the people ask section. These are other keywords, actually, the keyword phrases, like what is the tool used for fishing? What is a fish tool? So these are questions people need or they are searching for. If you click on open and close, you realize the auto suggestion is increasing, so giving you more and more variations of different topics. So some of these will be subtopics within one blog post, okay? Not every one of these will be a single post. Some of these will be combined or will be subtopics within a single blog post, maybe on fishing or fishing tools. So now I want to go down here. We have also another section here. You see, people also are searching for fishing tool list, 10 fishing tools and their uses, fishing tool drilling, fishing tool kit, fishing tool names, and so forth. If you click on fishing tool kit, it will also take you to another search result page, and you can go on and on. You come and find another section on people ask with different variations of different keywords. And then if you go down again to this section, you see here you have salt water fishing tool kits, fishing tool kits for beginners, best fishing tool kits, best fishing tool kits, fishing tools near you, fishing tools names. So those are different variations of keywords, and different keywords, sometimes the same keywords which can be used in the same post. That's the first way of doing it. And then we have the second way of doing it, which is actually using AI. Let's just do the dream interpretation. Last time we did on page SEO for this page. So I've given it this simple prompt, give me 10 high volume. So this is high volume keywords on dream interpretation, and then I'll click on search. So here we have 10 keywords on dream interpretation of dream dictionary, dream meaning, dream analysis, dream symbols, and so forth. But we also want titles. So to do the same, we'll go want titles which you can actually rank for. So give me 10 high volume titles, which are actual post titles on dream interpretation. And as you can see, we have 10 articles you can write on. So the ultimate dream dictionary, what does your dream mean, 10 common dreams and their hidden meanings, spiritual dream meaning, what to dream reveal about your life, biblical dream interpretation, how to remember and analyze your dream like a pro, the science of dreaming, prophetic dreams, recurring dreams, nightmare and bad dreams. And you can go on and just tell it, give me 100 high volume post titles on this and this. Can give even 100, give me 1,000. Some of these titles overlap each other, like spiritual dream meaning, biblical dream meaning. This is just the same. So you have also to be wise. Don't just pick everything. We are going to the best now, analyzing your competitor's sitemap. So what is a sitemap? If I go to my website, the website you're working on, under rank math here, or whatever SEO tool you're using plugin, if you go to sitemap setting, click on sitemap setting. So here is our sitemap. Just right click to copy it, and then you can open it in a different tab. So this is our sitemap. Okay, we have the post sitemap, page sitemap, category sitemap. The most important one is the post. We want to see the posts. So these are the posts that we have, okay, under this website. I'm using this domain name for testing purposes. Make sure to get a .com domain. Don't get a .shop or .xyz. I mean domain, for example, should be joshwp.com. So I already have joshwp.com, my main website, but this one is just for testing and for creating lessons and YouTube channels and different channels. So I use it for that purpose. So now I want to extract the sitemap of my main website. To do that, I will replace this, you see this domain name here, with my competitor's domain. So in my case, it's let me just use my other website to be on the safe side. I'll use joshwp.com/sitemap index.xml. Okay, sometimes some website will not work with this one because they're using an HTML sitemap instead of a XML sitemap. So again, we have the post sitemap, pages sitemap, category sitemap for my main website, which is joshwp.com. So I click on the post sitemap. These are the URLs, some of the posts I've written on this website. You may ask, how do I do keyword research with this? So I'm going to copy the URLs. So I'll begin from here. Okay, I've copied them. I'll go to Excel. I'll paste everything in Excel. Let me do some changes here. So number one, I want to remove the hyperlink. So remove the hyperlinks. Okay. Select everything. Okay, now it's okay. Now I want to delete these two columns. And that's how I delete the two columns. They're gone. So now I want to copy these URLs along, the links along. So I'll copy them. So this is the instruction: extract SEO optimized title from the sitemap below. So I'll hit run and let's see what we have. So it's giving me two different responses, which is okay sometimes. As you can see, these are the result. It has gone through the sitemap and extracted SEO optimized titles from the URLs. So you can do the same for another website and end up with so many articles well optimized for different keywords. And lastly, we have another tool called Keyword Sheeter. So just type in Keyword Sheeter. So this is the website. I've already opened it here. So what this does, it goes on the web and extracts all the related terms and phrases to whatever phrase you give it. For example, here I want to give it a keyword such as dog food, okay, and then start Keyword Sheeter. can also filter by, maybe you want to filter out some keywords you already know. But for the illustration, let's just see what it will give us. You see, these are different keywords relating to dog food. Maybe if your website is about dog food, you'll have so many keywords to write articles on. For the sake of time, let me stop it. This thing can go for hours and extract thousands and thousands of keywords. I've used it for various websites, which I won't mention here. So let me just stop it for the sake of time. So I'll just copy everything. I've clicked on Control A to highlight everything, and then now Control C to copy everything. And then I want to cluster these keywords. You know, they're random keywords but of the same phrases. So I want to cluster them. SEO Scout, it's free. So I'll come here and paste my keywords there. And then I want to group my keywords, okay? I'll click Group the Keywords. And so what the tool does, it will go and group all the keywords for me. And so here I have the keywords that have already been grouped. So you can see these ones have been grouped based on my location because I'm in this country. So if you're in Europe or America or in whatever country you are, so they'll be grouped based on your country. And then also based on other countries sometimes. Look at this one, dog food good. Sounds weird, but it's not weird. This is actually how people search. These are the phrases people enter on the search engine. Dog food good for allergies. Not everybody is proficient in English, so these are the kind of phrases people enter. And then you have food kidney. I have food kidney. I have dog food for kidney diseases. Dog food for kidney diseases. Dog food kidney disease. I have dog food kidney care and dog food kidney support. So some of these, you see these keywords, this one will be under the same article. Maybe it's an article about dog food for kidney disease. So let me show you how you can use these keywords. So for example, in this case, I will just copy the two of them. I'll go to ChatGPT and then say write SEO optimized titles using the keywords below. So these are the keywords I wanted to use. Some of you may find it difficult to enter the keywords here. To enter a new paragraph here, hold down Shift, the Shift key, and then enter. That's how we do it. So these are the keywords. Then I want to go back here. Let me maybe find other keywords about kidney disease, kidney care and support. Okay. As I said earlier, some of the keywords will overlap, so you have to use common sense. Don't repeat the same articles on the same thing. Dog food nutrition, dog food nutritional calculator. Copy these ones. Let's go here and then paste it. And I will click enter. Let's see what ChatGPT gives us. So these are the keywords. As you can see, we have here are some of the optimized SEO optimized titles using a keyword. You have best dog food for allergies. It's smart to understand what we gave it. So the first one was dog food good for allergy. So it corrected the grammar, which is actually good. You have best dog food for allergies. So this is the keyword and the one you want to rank for best dog food for allergy. The rest is not important, but you can use it just for the sake of the title. So this is what your article will be optimized around, best dog food for allergies. And then you have dog food for digestion. Improve your dog's gut health naturally. And then we have best dog food for kidney disease, vet approved options. So the titles are optimized for SEO. That's why you see these additional details. But the main keyword you'll be ranking for, this is what you will want to rank for, okay? That's what you want to rank for, but you just have, it's good to use the entire title for SEO purposes. It's optimized. That's the easiest way to do it. And actually you can download this one as a CSV file so that you can use it as a reference for later. So you don't have to come back and forth into the website. Just click download. And once you download, there it is. It has been saved. So I hope this one was really relevant and helpful to you. it's my hope you've learned something out of the method I've shown you. So the first one was Google autocomplete, and then we went to using ChatGPT, and then I showed you the best way to use it is going to your competitor's sitemap. I showed you that, and then I showed you using now the keyword sheeter. With that, you'll have as many keywords as possible and many titles as possible to write over 1,000 articles. So in our next lesson, we'll be looking at leverage AI to create articles for you. Now that you've created massive list of keywords, massive list of titles, actually titles and keywords, it's easy. You'll just feed all these keywords or the titles to the AI, and the AI will be able now to actually do the work. So that's for next lesson. Please don't miss.